Dear children, I hope all of you are fine. Today's date is 28/9/2020. As you know, all children, I hope all of you are fine at home and doing well and doing revision for your tomorrow's duty. As you are doing tomorrow's duty revision, today I am briefing you the first lesson, Wise Little Caliph's question answer, children. Because you all read this chapter and you all know the story regarding Ali and who was he and how is his friend and what decision king had given in at last. Yes or no, children? See this, while reading the lesson, you come across glossaries and some inside textbook questions. Yes or no? And anatomies means opposite words. For all this, you have to read the lesson thoroughly and understand the story. Otherwise, it will not come for you, children. So, I will request you to read the lessons, social and English thoroughly before come across the question answer. Now, children, I brief you the backside lesson question answer along with inside lesson question answer, children. First, we see the exercise. What is in exercise? The first one, comprehension given, children, that is put right or wrong. As you know that Ali left home to go to an pilgrimage. Yes or no, children? Ali left a jar with a friend. Third one, the friend thought the jar was full of dash olives. The little caliph decided that Ali was telling the truth. Yes or no, children? Ali's greedy friend was punished by the king. These are the answers, children. Understood? Now, given who said to whom, the first question is, here is the key to my shop. Put the jar wherever you like in my shop and you can take it back on your return. For that, three questions asked. Who said this to whom? Why did the person say this? And where was the listener going? Understood? And second question is given, children. I would like to taste the olives in Ali's jar. For that also three questions asked. Who said this to whom? Why did he want to taste the olives? What did he discover when he tasted the olives? For this all I will brief the question answer. You listen to me briefly, children. Okay. Inside textbook question first I'll tell you. What preparation did Ali make before leaving for Mecca? Answer will be Ali sold his shop and found a tenant for his house. Yes or no? Second, why did the friend fill Ali's jar with fresh olives? Because that Ali will not know that he had taken the gold coins. After Ali's return, why was he unhappy with his friend? Because his friend stole his gold coins. Yes or no, children? What important fact did the caliph learn from a group of children? Caliph learned that olives cannot be stored for more than 3 years. As I told, one question is asked, who said to whom? That a first answer will be, who said this to whom? The first one will be, Ali's friend said this to Ali. Second, why did the person say this? The person said this because Ali had asked him to keep a jar of olives safe for him while he was away. The third one, where was the listener going? The listener Ali was going to Mecca, children. For that second question also, three questions were asked. The first one, who said this to whom? The little boy who was playing the caliph said this to the other children who were acting out the case. Understood? Second one, why did he want to taste the olives? Because he wanted to taste the olives to see if they were fresh or rotten. Understood? Now third one, children. What did he discover when he tasted the olives? He discovered that olives were fresh. Answer the following questions, children. Who was Ali? Ali was a trader who lived in Baghdad. He was a kind and honest man. Yes or no, children? Why did Ali leave his home? Because Ali left his home because he dreamt one night that he was supposed to make a pilgrimage to Mecca. Yes, children. Now, third one. What was in jar that Ali gave his friend? 1,000 gold coins were in the jar that Ali gave his friend. Yes or no? Fourth one. Why did the friend open the jar? The friend opened the jar because his wife wanted to eat some olives. Fifth one. What did the caliph see when he was walking around the town? When when walking around the town, the caliph saw a group of children acting out Ali's case. Yes or no? Why do you think Ali took 7 years to return home from Mecca those days? Because that time there were no good transportation system was there. People has to travel only by sea route. So it took long time to come back. All I briefed children, you have to read and understand. Okay, now I'll revise the social chapter. Okay, as I told you last time children, your social first lesson will be the globes and maps. I taught you the what is the shape of earth, what is globe and what is map. Understood? What is map and what is different between globe and map, what is cardinal directions, etc., symbols and signs, etc. For this you have to read the lesson thoroughly children and understand before answering. Okay, for that inside questions answer I will explain you briefly. Okay, you listen to me. In page number 249 you can see that choose the correct answer. A globe dash shows how earth tilts on spins on its axis. The correct answer is globe. The second question, the dash, the area shown on map, the greater the details it can show, the smaller. Dash, or dash shows minute details. You all know that map shows the minute details. Okay, in page number 250 you can see dash map shows the boundaries and the location of countries, states and cities. The answer will be political maps. Yes or no? Transport maps show roads, railways, sea routes and dash. One more is air routes, airline routes. Okay. Now in page number 251 you can see most maps indicate dash with an arrowhead, means a dark arrow mark. You can see here arrowhead. Okay, that will be north. Answer will be north. There are dash cardinal points on map. As you learnt in lesson, there are 4 cardinal points. If the actual distance between two places is 1000 km and on the map they were separated by 10 centimeter, then the scale of the map should read dash. The answer will be 1 centimeter equal to 100 km. The standard color used to show plains on map is green. Mountains are shown in brown color. An atlas is a book of collection of maps. Understood? Now turn your page children. In that choose the correct answer is the exercise 1. A map has a flat surface. Yes or no? Second one, dash map show the physical features such as mountain, plateaus, plains and seas. That which map? Physical map. The bottom portion of a map represent dash. The upside is north means bottom will be, down will be south. The answer is south. In map, deserts are shown in dash. The deserts are shown in which color? Light yellow color. Okay. Standard symbols are dash symbols. Standard symbols are called conventional symbols. Okay, understood children? Now put a right or wrong mark. A map is a drawing of all surface on a flat surface. Yes, according to the textbook statement, it is correct. Transport map shows roads, railways, sea routes and airline routes. Correct? Yes, children. Most maps indicate south with an arrowhead. No, wrong. In maps, plateaus are shown in green. Wrong. Wrong, children. Means it is not necessary to understand the symbols used in map stand for. Wrong. It is necessary to understand. Yes or no, children? Now we come across question answer. Answer the following questions. For this I will tell the answers in brief. You listen to me carefully children. Okay. For that I have given you notes, that before reading the notes you have to read the lesson thoroughly children. Again and I am telling the same thing. You do it. What are the main differences between a globe and a map? Globe has a spherical surface, map has a flat surface. Globe shows the exact shape of earth, map does not show the true shape of earth. Third, globe shows the tilt of earth's axis, but map does not show the tilt of earth's axis. Globe does not show details, map shows the minute details also. Globe is very difficult to carry, but map is very easy to carry. Okay children, now second question, what are the main factors in map making? Factors are important factors in map making are direction, scale, color, symbols and science children. Draw and name the cardinal points and the subdirections. Cardinal points, as you know children, north, south, east and west are the cardinal points. Sub directions means sub cardinal points. Which are there children? What are they? Sub directions are northeast, northwest, northwest, northeast, northwest and southeast. Okay, the cardinal picture also you have to practice children. And what are the standard color used in map? The standard colors used in a map are blue, brown, light brown, green and light yellow. What are used to indicate specific features on map? Conventional symbols are used on a map to indicate specific features. I hope children all of you understood English and social. You watch this video once and understand thoroughly and prepare for tomorrow's YouTube. Children, all the best. Thank you.